Yes, pronouns, they are also available in the Ndebele language. Yes, imagine you want to say me and you don't know what to say in Ndebele or how you say it in Ndebele. Imagine saying you. You are eager to say you, or you want to say something that is very crucial or very critical, but you don't know how to call that person. I will teach you something. I'll teach you about personal pronouns in Ndebele. Personal pronouns. Mina. Mina. That is I or me. Wena. That is you. Vona. Them or they. Lina. It means you. For what? For a lot of people. Maybe 2 or 3 people or a whole lot of people. Then we go to possessive pronouns. What are possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns, these are pronouns that possess something, like lami, which means mine. So I can possess a cell phone, I can possess a book, I can possess a wife, I can possess a husband. So lami, mine. Lako, it means yours. Yami, it means mine again. You understand? Then lawe, lawe, it means with you. Wami, it means mine. So these are personal pronouns. Like, share, and follow.